So while we're driving up this mountain, I'm going to give you a little bit of a heads up. We are in search of a parts store yet again. This one's pretty serious. We don't know why Bam Bam is running so poorly. It is smoking, it is puttering, it's not happy. So we're not flying by any means. We are still taking our time.
We got a few bars back now.
We're just looking for service. Pulled its codes, got a couple codes in there. As soon as I get service, I get a better idea of what could be going on. I got a couple, how to put this? I got a feeling I know what it is. We'll see if I'm correct. So that's why you're seeing some puffs of smoke coming out of Bam Bam. And we're going to try to fix it.
We are trying to make it to a marked camp spot. It's partially through the day 2 track. That is as far as we're going to make it.
Keep going down, ready? Where it says on my GPS, we're not even close. It says it's like that way.
Hey, there's some trailers out there.
I bet you that's what it is. Look. We're here. They're saying it's here.
Alright, well, let's pull up there and see how much closer we get.
But it looks like Ross Schoolhouse is like right there. Because this is Treat Road.
Yeah, our GPS has kind of put us in different spots because when I turned in here, I was already there.
I got 1 bar of LTE. So okay, we're in search of a camping spot.
Might be another spot here. Let me see.
Pretty flat one. I found a flat one, but it's between a bunch of trails.
And that could have just been him eyeballing it, and this is actually the spot, because this actually looks like, it's like a big circle up there.
Alright, well, I gotta get backed up this angle. Oh, now we're on a forest road, heading towards another campsite, but we do have a water crossing, not knowing if there's a bridge. So we'll see. With the way that Bam Bam's running, it ain't good. So hopefully it's a bridge for him to cross, not deep water crossing, because that could be bad.
You said you're below a quarter?
Yep.
What were you around when we were stopped before getting on to 7 to, well, you were messing with everything? He doesn't know, no answer.
He's been burning fuel real bad all day, so I'm not real surprised it is dumping fuel because of that, how it's acting.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get a gauge on how much more we got it before he's out. into something that might speed this up. We're making really good time though.
It's on the water.
Ah, home sweet home.
Pick your spot where you want to do all the work on Bam Bam and a hammock.
What's that? Firewood 2. Yes.
Score.
We want to use this fire pit.
Yeah.